gets in here. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh,
Come on back up to that dozer.
See if you can hop in his car.
What?
No way, bro.
What? Oh, it's the drives! Oh my god! They can't hit me with the taser. Ah!
okay, nope, okay.
Yes, I'm gone. What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of USRPC. Today we're role-playing as a couple construction workers. I got Anderson and Garrison. We're going to be doing some construction work here on Sonora Road. That being said, let's go ahead and get on into this.
You know, you could have just taken the dozer I had.
Freaking max speed is 74 miles an hour.
Oh, I should have clocked in so I had access to the cones.
Yeah, I'm not clocked in either.
Rip.
Don't hit me now.
It's not even a construction site. This is a freaking mountain fall thing.
Yeah, we're cleaning up the mudslide. Yeah, let me break some of these rocks for you. Hang on.
We need a dump truck.
We should direct traffic around the tunnel.
Yeah,
Like,
what's
you
the
know,
emote for? Was it construction?
You talking about use that lane over there at freaking the northbound lane?
Why don't we split that up and have it a one-lane highway?
That'd be really cool if it actually worked.
Alright, yeah, I gotta go clock in.
Trust me, I've tried. It don't work.
It's gonna work.
I only say that because you can't see it until you get literally to it.
I don't know.
Hey, I'm Anderson.
What up?
You know what's up.
I don't even know who I'm talking to.
Carnes.
Oh, are you on your phone?
Yeah.
That makes sense. I was like, this does not sound like Carnes.
Just figured I'd talk to you last night.
Oh yeah, dude, don't even think that.
Oh shit, it's the popo.
I mean, there's definitely there's some moments in there, trust me, don't get me wrong, but you gotta play that crap safe sometimes, especially in this type of situation.
Long distance, man.
Heck
Sucks.
yeah. Dude, of course you're gonna have the dogs messing with it.
How you doing, Gary?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Yeah, Gary sounds like an old man name.
Gary, come home.
No wonder he's
Sure,
our
Roman.
supervisor.
Supervisor.
You break them rocks up yet, man? Jeez.
I know, man. These things are freaking hard.
What are y'all doing?
Construction RP.
Uh,
We don't even have a. We need a flatbed.
We have a flatbed right behind us.
Not a flatbed.
they-
We need a dump truck.
did they add
Isn't
the
that
construction
where,
site on the?
He was just going?
Yeah, they added the construction mod stuff.
Yeah, is that solely for like RP, or is it just to, like, break up speed on the highway?
I guess you could
Both.
say both, but I mean, ultimately, I think it's symbolizing that we're growing and stuff, and we're fixing everything.
Yeah,
you know,
server
we're
maintenance.
populating. Yeah.
Nice.
All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna keep the dozer right there. I'm gonna go grab a freaking.
I was just gonna go
dump
do
truck.
that.
Oh, well, shoot. You can go do that then.
Alright.
I would come join you, but I
take
don't have
your
my
truck?
mic with me.
Can I take your truck?
Yeah, take my truck.
Alright.
I don't know where our supervisor is.
Well, I was
Supervisor's
taking the
setting up
supervisor.
the,
I was taking the
diversion.
supervisor truck.
Oh, yeah, you did, dang.
Hey
would
man,
join you,
I
but I
gotta
don't
get
have a
over to
mic
our
with me.
site.
Is that van ELS too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Into that dump truck.
I'm here waiting.
Rogan, I'm gonna save and lock this so someone doesn't come and steal it.
Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh wait, there you go. Back up a little bit.
This cop's like, what is going on?
Hey, there you
If he comes
go.
over and talks to you, you'll have to be my voice. Say I'm deaf.
Oh, you're doing that. Let me go chit chat with him. Ah! Dead! Dead!
Oh, shit, man.
What's going on, officer?
Just checking out what's happening over here. Oh.
Just trying to get some rocks off the road.
Yeah, I was about to call them in. I was on a
Dude,
distress call.
did this car really just drive
passed
through?
here. I was about to call you guys for those stones.
Yeah, I even hit it.
Yep, we're here. We got it under control.
Okay, if you need any help, just call. I do a 911.
I'm about to park this dozer in
You
that
got it,
lane.
bud.
Have a nice day and enjoy flipping that truck.
Yep, well, we got the tools to do it, so.
Have a great day.
Hey, can one of you fucking flip my truck back over? That's not how you do it. You gotta go from the other side. Come on. Construction 101. Had to flip an overturned dump truck.
Our supervisor's not gonna be happy.
Your supervisor flipped it.
My supervisor's gonna be fired from the supervisor.
Hey, there we go. Ah! Don't run me over. Really? God, Garrison, learn how to drive.
Oh,
there-
I see more rocks over here.
And it still works. Yes.
I really wish I were clocked in right about now. Put down them steel barriers so these people can't drive through it. What happened to our dozer trying to pick up these rocks?
I'm gonna block out this road a little bit better with
He's
flatbed.
bringing more rocks into the road. What are you doing?
Goodness, we need a new supervisor.
It's called busy work, guys. Gotta be doing something.
By making our job harder.
No, this is how we get real jobs. We make problems and then we fix them. Then people want to hire us.
No comment on that.
Denry.
Oh, come on. These rocks are hard to get in here. Hey, stand in front of it. Maybe it'll use it as a force, like. Definitely not gonna work. Are you clocked in?
No.
Dang. I was gonna say somebody could put a steel barrier right in front of that thing.
The dump truck, go like stand in front of, or go park in front of that rock open.
Say what?
Oh no, that might work.
Okay, apparently this little bitty rock weighs 1,000,000 tons.
Why don't you guys try working together with the dozers?
Been there, done that. Doesn't work.
God damn it.
I'll go grab the other one from behind the flatbed.
Uh-oh.
Yo, there's a plethora of rocks over here.
We got
There's
state
a
on
steakhouse
scene.
coming this way.
Yeah, I'm coming. Hang on.
I'm a mute. I'm deaf. Can't hear.
Just point him in my direction.
That bucket won't even lift with the rock in it.
What's up, man?
Anyone here?
Hey,
Hey,
Carnes,
what's
can
up?
you mute
Yo,
your
I've
mic?
got a rock.
Yeah, so I wanted to warn you guys because there's a pursuit
messed
coming
up.
this way.
Uh-oh, we got a pursuit coming this way, boys.
Nice.
Alright, well, technically we're doing your job for you. We got the road blocked off
Yeah,
already. Carnes,
yeah,
can
well,
you
I'll
mute your
keep
mic?
my car there as well.
Yeah.
Well, I talk in game because I get a lot of feedback.
Holy
Oh,
crap,
he's
I
coming
forgot
this way,
Smith
hold
was
on.
with the highway patrol.
Oh, where's he? Where?
He's on A Joshua.
Heading
Oh, hey,
towards
Rogan.
Sonora.
Oh, see, he's on East Joshua. He's spawning new cars and sniping people.
Oh, well, this is easy. Just get a name. If he just left, we're good then.
You guys need some traffic directions.
I'll leave that up to you if you want to sit here. What are you doing?
Oh,
What are you doing?
oh,
Come on, back up with that dozer.
What are you
Oh.
doing?
Garrison's trying to get arrested.
I'm so dead right now.
Hey, is he deaf? Can he
Try
hear
to pick
you?
up that rock again.
Can he hear me?
Well, I have
Oh,
a.
no.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Oh shit! Hey,
Sir,
Garrison, what are you doing,
trying to
bro?
What?
Garrison, don't make me pull
I
you out
can't
of that
hear you.
car.
I can't hear you.
Oh no, no, sir,
Oh
Sir.
God.
no, no, man. Okay.
No way. No way.
Seems legit.
Fuck's sakes.
Oh man, bro.
Oh, that is great.
I'm gonna blame you guys.
Oh. Oh, my apologies.
No, okay, sir. Go ahead and flip it back for me.
Flip it back? Oh, I got it. I got it.
No, don't run me over.
I'm about to drive this thing all the way down.
I know. I know what you. Yep. I knew it. I knew it.
Those your people.
Well, sir, you might have to get a new car. Well, my supervisor's actually in one of those dozers. He's in that one right there.
Ah, my God.
So you're gonna
Do you
have
have a
to.
supervisor?
He's in that dozer right there. The one closest to us.
Does he have a supervisor?
I think he's the owner. I think he's the owner of Garrison Construction.
Garrison Construction. I'm dead right now.
Can you ask him to step out of his vehicle for me?
Hey man, I tried.
Okay.
I tried. He didn't want to get out. Oh my god, you guys are freaking ridiculous right now. Oh, and I love how that other pub cop just does absolutely nothing. We're over here demolishing a cop car.
Carnes, unlock this car.
Look at his car.
There you go.
Oh,
Nope.
we have 3 dozers out here? Good God almighty. And who is in the truck?
Garrison. There needs to be like a more efficient way to do this.
Alright, boys.
Bucket can, maybe we can just go up.
I'm gonna be off duty for the night. I'm gonna.
Hey, sir.
You guys,
sir,
yeah, you're all good.
Sir, I need you to step up. Sir, step up. Step out the vehicle.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Hey man. Hey man. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I swear I didn't do anything. And that car is fucked.
I know, right, dude? I wonder if you could hop in.
I didn't do anything.
See if you can hop in his car.
Yo, Smith, you alright?
What?
No way, bro.
What? Oh, so drives. Oh my
Get out
god.
that vehicle right now.
Yes.
Go in first person.
So this didn't. Okay, you know, I'm just.
Oh
Gonna go
my
drop this
God.
rocket now.
Dude, you gotta let me
Oh, this
bring
is
that thing back. I gotta
great.
see what it looks like in first person.
Oh, I'm definitely. Yeah, you definitely will. Oh, this is great. I'm gonna go do freaking Sandy like this.
So this isn't a construction site anymore, is it?
No, it's gonna be a
It's a
criminal
crime
site.
scene.
Yeah, it's a crime
I just
scene.
stole a police car. I just stole a police car. Bye, guys.
So did I. So did I. I'm in this destroyed freaking cruiser car. Oh my god, this is great.
Help me, Carnes. Help me.
Where are you?
I'm on turning on to Panorama right now. I can only imagine the bolo on this car.
Hey,
How is this thing still driving? On a full tank of gas too.
I'm a mute. I can't hear. I can't hear his commands.
He said heads up, heads up.
Why have I been handcuffed?
Oh my god, this thing is so wrecked. Oh my
I was just shot
god.
dead, dude. They
Oh
just
wait,
shot
no
me
wait.
dead.
Shadow Pup got past me.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Dead. Yo, I just had like 2 pub cops pass me and didn't do anything. Alright, I'm gonna drive down here. Oh, I
Will
just saw
someone
him.
come over
I just
here
saw
and let them
Joshua.
know that I'm a mute? That I need an interpreter?
Type in the chat, bro. Ah! Ah! Pub cop! Pub cop! Don't turn, don't turn, don't turn, don't turn, don't turn. Oh, what are they doing? Do they not know that this car should be boloed?
They shot me. They killed
They
me.
shot
I'm
you?
dead too.
I didn't even
What?
run him over or anything, dude.
I
was
have
just
handcuffs
driving.
on.
He pulled my body out of it.
Alright, I'm on my way. I'm on Panorama and I'm on, no, not Panorama. I'm on Joshua and Sonora right now.
Yeah, I'll be the getaway car.
Yo, where are they at?
We're still back at the site. I'm kind of on the corner of Union and Sonora right now.
I know, I'm there right now.
I got handcuffs on me right now.
Oh, I see you guys. Yo, Garrison, how does this car look?
Looks great. Here, hop in mine so we don't get ID'd quickly.
No, man, they weren't even like chasing me. Here, I'm gonna pull it right here. Oh my god, this car is so fucked.
Bro, I'm hopping in with you. I gotta see this in first person.
Is that your car?
Huh? And I'm
That's
falling
Oh,
through the
no.
map. And I'm falling through the map. Oh wait,
No.
there we go. Okay, we're good. How did I get How did I respawn here?
That was me by accident.
That worked.
You would. It worked. I mean, I was falling through the map.
Why were there
Uh,
two of them?
Hang on.
That's retarded.
Hang on.
I don't know what to do here. They're not talking to me.
Yo, someone rev me. They didn't clear my gun. Wait, hold on a sec.
What's your number?
Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up right now.
Ah, they tried to go after me.
Did you take the Tesla?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Garrison, what's your number?
Oh, we removed the
Oh
firearms.
my god. I gotta go. Which way do I go? Which way do I go? Shit, I got this way. Oh, that car's fixed. Oh, that state car is fixed. It's not fucked anymore. Where is it? It is kind of.
Pull over.
Ah! Shit! Shit! They think they'll catch me here. I'll go slow enough for them to catch up. Y'all think you can keep up with me?
Garrison, I got.
Yo, uncuff me, man.
I can't. I don't have my menu.
And that was really easy to do. I just lost them. Woo! Oh, the handling on this is freaking awesome. And I'm gone. And I'm gone. Bye-bye. Damn, this car gets up and goes.
Yo, come get me. They're walking me to the PD.
Where are you?
We're still at the construction site.
Are
Yo, just
you?
come run this buffoon over.
Hang on.
No, that'd be VDM.
Yeah, no,
You're
I'm
medium.
not gonna run him over. I was freaking. I'll
Garrison,
come
I
in
got
hot.
Garrison, I got a tip for you. If you're dead and you wanna revive yourself, just do /clear.
Dude,
Oh
got a
shit!
cop
Oh
on
shit!
me.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Yo, he saw his car.
Alright, where you at, Garrison?
Dude, I'm gonna get lit up.
We're by where you left the old police car.
Oh. Shit, I already passed that. Alright, let's try to come back here.
They're gonna put us next to each other. This is so sweet.
Please.
It's like a love story.
They think they can keep up with me.
Awful.
We're gonna run all the way to the PD. Are you kidding?
Mhm.
No, dude.
Oh, it won't let me on there. Shit.
This has to be the most jank thing I've ever seen.
Oh shit! 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 Oh, fuck me! Fuck me! Fucking dead! All right, I'm bailing on foot. All right, I'm coming up. Ah, come on! 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 All right, I'm getting onto Snore right now.
You need a pickup?
Yeah, I'm running down Snore right now.
Alright. Near where?
By the construction site, the end of the construction site where the cones turn you.
Are they chasing you?
Yeah, yeah, they are.
Dude, gosh dang. I'm trying to get there. No, no, fruit stand. Oh, no cop.
I don't know how to look behind me.
hell
Wait,
is
I
going
think it's this one.
on?
Nope, it's not that one. Shit! Shit! Oh no! Shit!
Who's
They're like right
hitting
behind me,
Stan?
and you missed. They're trying to tase me.
Garrison, they're like dragging your body.
I know.
They can't hit me with the taser. Ah! God damn it! They caught me.
God.
I kind of want to record
You
this.
gave
This
us
is
a run
funny.
for our money, man.
He is gonna do some good jail time.
I don't feel so good. My head is hurting.
God
What
damn
car do
it.
you want me to put him in?
Read his
Doesn't
rights.
matter.
They're
Can somebody
hijacking a
give me,
volunteer's car.
ride
Oh,
down
Jesus
back to
Christ.
the
I'm so
PD,
dead.
in our
Gonna
car.
read his rights as soon as he gets to the PD.
Alright,
Yeah, George.
They didn't even like radio into RTO that they need transport.
There's a dead man in the back of this car. I'm so dead.
And they're freaking taking me code 3 to the freaking down Sonora right now.
Hey. That's a...
Hey man, I know my rights.
Hey,
I
construction worker.
have the right to remain silent, and I'm gonna do that.
Hey,
I'll
are you
bring him-
caught?
What the fuck?
Go 3. That was
Are you caught?
not...
What the fuck?
That was
Did
misclick.
they
Sorry
get you,
for that
Rogan?
gunshot.
Did they get you, Rogan?
Yeah, they got me. They're taking me code
Dude.
3 right now to Sandy PD.
I was booking it down Route 68 and I almost hit the fruit stand. So from dodging the fruit stand, a freaking cop was making a U-turn. And then so I almost hit him. Alright, where you at? I'll come rescue you.
I'm getting ready to be at Sandy PD.
Give me back my car!
I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet.
Yo! You're driving like a fucking
Garrison, you want me to
moron.
revive you?
You see my
Oh, no,
lights
you're
on, you
dead.
fucking punk?
Hey, do you have your F5 menu?
However, we're about to hit you. Need to get your license started.
Anderson, do you have your F5 menu?
No.
Yo, I'm at the gas station. They took me to the freaking gas station.
What?
I'm literally sitting at a gas station right
I'm kind
now.
of running out of fuel because of the chase.
Hey Johnny, I think they'll give me a car over here.
I'm coming. I don't have any weapons on me though.
I have a pistol, and I pulled that out, and they were like, "Don't fuck
Hey,
you."
check the glove box. See if there's one in there. You stole a car, didn't you? Check the glove box. See if there's a gun in there. Might be a AP pistol, or not an AP pistol, but a pistol of some sort. All right, we're getting ready to go into Sandy right now.
No, come on, man. Another freaking cop, dude. I'm about to get pulled over.
I can keep
God.
getting out of the cop vehicle, and they don't know why. If you just hold on to like your exit vehicle,
Hey, before
they'll
he-
eventually take you out of it if you're in cuffs.
Dude, somebody did like 1,000 mile an hour on a bike through that speed bump area and tried to dodge it, and they hit that concrete barrier.
I'm at
Yo,
Sandy.
Anderson,
I'm
wanna run
at
the
Sandy,
mechanic
but I'm
shop with me?
still in the car.
Alright man,
You're still in the car? Okay, I'm coming.
gonna put you
Hold
in
on,
here.
Garrison. I gotta say.
No,
Yo,
man,
I'm
I
running
like the
mechanic
AC
shop.
in here. Leave me in here. Ah, they just
Hold
took
on,
me
hold
out.
on.
They just took me
I
out.
gotta
There's
get
like
a-
5
are they-
of them here. There's legit 5 pub
Get
cops here.
Officer, do you need the
I'll
car?
take 'em.
4.
I'm gonna
There's
take
4.
'em. I got my car, son. I'll take them in.
You would have to like plow down everybody if you got here to do anything.
So this cop that's running me to the PD right now, he asked me how my day is going, and I said, or I put in chat, I'm a mute, can't talk, and deaf. He said, "Oh, that's sad."
There it
Fucking
is.
Smiths.
Hey, what matters is I'll pick you up when you get out of jail.
All right.
Yeah, let's all run the mechanic shop.
Alright man, what's your name? Man, what's your name?
John Smith. I think I have a character for John Smith.
Oh, come on. The clowns are back.
Yeah, Scooby Snake.
Your name's not coming up, man. He has to give me a full name, not a false name. Your real name.
Thanks, dude.
All right, hold on, man. Hold on. Let me.
Do what?
Hang on.
Hey, Rogan, you should ask him if you can make your one phone call.
Yeah, there you go.
I should ask him if I can make a phone call being mute. I'll just sit there on the phone quiet.
There it is. Yes. That's awesome.
Make your one phone call, and I'll come down there as your lawyer.
Kevin Keats.
All right.
Do I have anything on Kevin Keats? No. Okay.
Real name.
It's Kevin Keats.
I'll represent Carnes
After this,
and
I'm going to a
Rogan. You
different
guys should be
radio.
all,
Hey,
like, our lawyer,
can I get my
our
phone
lawyer's
call?
coming down.
A different radio, what do you mean?
Nah, not this radio where all the volunteers are in.
Oh shit, that's an option? I didn't
Alright.
know that was an
I'm
option.
calling you, Anderson.
Yeah, you have the switch button, you know, you can switch to a different
Come
radio
in.
channel.
Hey man, can I get?
Really?
Shit.
You have to
Hey
show
man,
me
can
how
I
to do
get my
that.
phone call or what?
Oh, he's
Dude,
still
look at
alive?
the size of the rims on that
Who
car.
got this guy?
Yeah,
That's
who
the
fuck
guy
did
who.
get
Hey!
this guy?
Hey! Hold on. This
Hey
guy.
man,
This guy stole my. Hey, why did you steal my charger?
where did I didn't steal your charger. I know what you're talking about.
I volunteer. I'll handle him from this.
Oh, Smith might
You
hook
heard
it
it.
up.
Nope, I think he's.
Smith might hook it up. I think he's all tapped out.
Let go! Let go, bitch! Okay.
Jesus
what am I doing?
Christ.
What happened?
You're not
you
letting
just
go
got,
of him.
Hey man,
jacked.
maybe you'll let me.
Hey,
Can I get my
was
phone
gonna-
call?
Yeah, he
I was
just,
running him
higher
through the
ranked you.
database.
I know. He just higher ranked jacked you, so unfortunately.
Alright, so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put him on arrest for speeding, have
What does your
him,
name
like,
tag
armed,
say?
and...
Smith. Can I get my phone call, man?
Yeah, sure. Hold on, one sec, sir. I'm gonna put you in the cell. Hey, 340. Could you lock that door back there in case someone has to break in? That door. No, the other one.
Okay, sure.
The door in front of me right now. You know, this city is crazy right now.
You guys are about to have a clown go downstairs
Alright,
with
so
you.
basically what's happening?
I told you, sir.
So what's gonna happen
Can I
is
use
I'm
this?
gonna give you the
I'm
phone,
gonna read you
okay?
rights and that you were
You have
coming down
one
to the
phone call.
station to be questioned.
I'll use it
But,
wisely.
Okay.
All right, who am I calling? Am I
Okay.
calling
You
DeMartini
call-
or am I calling
You caught
Commissioner
reckless
Rogan?
driving, and you admitted that. So
DeMartini.
I'm gonna have to
DeMartini.
take you
Alright.
in. You're gonna have to go to jail.
I didn't admit reckless
You
driving.
admitted
Another
that.
officer told me that the speed limit there was 70 miles per hour.
Okay, here you go, sir. Go ahead and
That
call.
is not my fault.
Oh, DeMartini here.
You can.
Okay,
you
so
can
that's your
read-
Where's my boy?
that's your department's
You-
fault. That's your
low
department's
second
fault.
Hey
Where's my
man,
boy?
You can
hey
read
man.
the sign, sir, saying
Oh
that it's
shit,
50
you got here
miles an
super
hour.
quick.
You
It's
go
like you knew I was
20
getting
You
arrested.
go 20 miles an hour over the limit.
Oh, yeah,
Therefore, I
G.
have to arrest you.
All right, Smiths. Well,
Okay.
Jupiter Smiths. That's my phone call right there.
So
He's right
what I
behind
want-
you.
what I want you
PD.
to
His
do
name is
now-
DeMartini.
Car show at PD.
Oh, that's
What I want
weird.
you
I
to do
thought the
now
door
is
was locked.
type what I've typed in chat right now, okay?
What is it?
That man right there let me in.
No, I did not. I was down in my office.
Yes, you did.
No,
Yes, you
I
did.
Yeah, that's what you
No,
get.
you let me in.
Type in chat, okay? Without the dot.
Hey, so,
How did it
I'm
let
here to
you
bail
in?
him out. Yeah, he let me in. That officer behind you. Yeah, he let me in.
No, I did not. I'm gonna check who actually
Yes,
let you in.
Yes, he let me in. Alright,
Okay,
so
so
where do I
you-
go to
All right,
get this man bailed out?
DeMartini. I think they
Yeah, man,
said,
I got you taken care of.
I think they said my bail was like $100,000 for some bullshit. But if you
Oh
pay,
man, that's easy.
but if you pay the 100,000,
Oh, he
then
has
I
no
don't get
bail.
jail time. You can just walk me out the front doors.
What are you
Ah.
doing?
Who said
Alright, yo, let's get
No
this
one said
bail
that.
taken care of.
Bob!
Then the office
No,
Bob, stop!
no one said. Nope. Why are you walking into our office, or could you step outside the office, sir?
Sir,
Case.
get out of the office. Get out of the office.
Oh,
You
my
have
bad.
permission to be in here.
Take cell case.
Why not?
No.
It's a car show.
Go away
You
here
guys
from
not
me,
like
sir.
my vehicle?
Sir,
Hitting my car.
sir, stop. Hands up. Hands up.
Yo, they're gonna fucking tase you, bro.
Step away from him.
I think this guy's no clipping.
No, it's a desync thing.
Ready?
So I'm
Okay,
getting
sir,
the
so
same
you're
thing
gonna be
with
placed on arrest for trespassing.
What the hell?
Okay,
How do you
everybody
handcuff me from the other side of the door?
Right now. At the PD
What do you
right
mean?
now.
I'm
If
right
you do not have a
behind you.
complaint
Good way to go.
or
Yeah,
report,
he's-
leave the
Wait a minute.
Smith's desync.
What the
Dude,
fuck?
today is really not our fucking day.
Oh,
Look
that
at
is
this shit.
great.
Oh my, no.
Garrison,
It's
can you
fucked.
unjail me, bro?
Life's fucked. What's that happening? Sir, could you let go of him? Please?
Oh, is that what's going on?
Yeah.
Leave the area right now. If you do not have a complaint or report,
Sir, let go.
I'm not gonna ask you to
This
put
is
that.
great.
This is my bail. I
What?
paid for
I
this. I'm
can't hear
taking it with me.
Oh my god, who has the
Rogan.
microphone ear rape?
Oh,
Say
dude,
who?
Lawyer.
Said DiMartini.
Okay,
I would love to know.
Okay,
how
can
you
I
know
exercise
this
my
man
right to a
lawyer
phone
costs.
call? I'd like to call the deputy commissioner.
Oh my god.
You guys, we don't have a
Hey,
deputy commissioner right
could you-
now.
Sir, can you
We
get
only
away
have the
from my
commissioner.
GTR?
Hopefully,
Hey, who's this?
and then
I don't know.
Hey. Who's
run
this?
away, double D.
Everyone's desync
Be
all over
free.
the fucking place.
Yes.
Be free.
Yes.
Go, run, run.
Sir, volunteer.
Finally, let's get this gumball started.
Hey, we got a runner!
could
Runner!
you-
Still
Runner!
in jail if you
Hey!
jail me.
Okay, no, no. Okay.
Yes, I'm gone. Oh my god, this is great. Get it. Oh shit.
Sir, stop running.
Oh my god, this is
I'm
great.
not clocked in.
This is great. Oh my god, this haven't tased me yet. Get in the car.
Yeah, just take
There's
it
a
back.
person driving
Ah!
around my
Good play,
GTR.
good
It's
play.
stolen, and he changed the
If he
color.
steps in, I'm
now.
gonna fucking hit his. Oh, get him handcuffed. Let's go.
Yeah, he was driving around in the
Okay,
police
no,
station.
nope.
Yeah. He has the
So now
exact
you're gonna
same
be,
license.
You could
You
go
could
6
be- I
miles
gotta-
Hey
per
man,
hour.
gonna
can
be-
you take me over
get
by
it.
that blue dot? I gotta use the bathroom.
That car isn't even there.
Oh, good thought, sir. Have you been drinking today?
Maybe just a little, but I mean, we're construction workers. What else do you want us to do on the job?
340.
Okay, so you're gonna get jailed for evade. So,
Dude,
please,
is that
volunteer.
a statue driving
Can
a
you lock that door
motorcycle?
for me, please? Keep a gun in your hand in case someone comes in.
That was so great. You're like, be free. Fucking ran right by him.
Please lock that door for me behind you.
He's uncovering me.
So, sir, you're gonna be you're gonna get a charge for evading as well as.
Well, I already have a charge. Oh shit. Well, I already have a charge for evading, so.
Yeah, so you're gonna get another charge, and it's gonna be escape from custody. Okay, sir. Let me see.
Can I get my F1? Oh, I can. I'm gonna commit suicide.
Really?
Are you guys ready for this gumball?
Hey man.
Yeah,
Look,
DiMartini's gotta go
look.
grab his car.
I can't take this anymore. I got a cyanide pill in my mouth. I'm taking right now. Have a good night.
No,
No,
sir.
don't. I'll come kill him. Where are you?
Oh, there we go.
Fucking bitch.
He's like, fucking bitch.
We'll start at the Ace Liquor.
Yeah, he's dead. Guys, he's dead. Oh, that's close.
Ow! Why survive that?
I'll be waiting for you guys at the Ace Liquor.
I'm still in jail if you can unjail me.
If you're still there.
Dang, son, you.
How the hell do you spell cyanide?
Let me see if
SYANID.
he's not faking, yeah? You never
Or
know.
CYANIED.
CYAN.
IDE.
IDE.
Ah, fucking bitch.
He took
Get
a
a
cyanide. Garrison, what's the unjail code?
340.
You just re-jail yourself for a second.
Or
Hold on.
just
For a
do
second.
/unjail space and then the code.
Okay, so this guy, yeah, this
I don't
guy
think that
took the
works.
pill, he's dead.
No, it
everybody,
works.
The car show is cancelled.
I
Leave
jail
the
him
area
all the
right
time.
now. Leave the area.
Yeah, he took a pill. Now he's dead.
How did he take a pill?
Not here.
Yo,
Not
where are
this
you?
area. Right now. We have no time for this bullshit.
You have one in his
I'm
mouth.
not the ace looker.
No, come to
Then
the
go to
RV
Yellow
spot.
Jack. There's no space over there.
Alright.
Okay.
If everybody else gets there.
Whatever.
I'm gonna
Where's
try
the
that on
other guy?
set.
Where's the other guy at?
Yes, you're actually
Fucking
blocking
know
all the
anymore,
parking
dude.
spots at the medical center.
This
What's my number?
world is
Don't
weird.
leave.
For me?
I think it's 108.
Like, everyone's desyncing
Oh.
and shit all over the place for me.
No way. And then no time. Just
Yeah, no time.
You want to try to roll medics if there's
that
any?
on jail does work with the codes.
Definitely go ahead.
Best way to
Are you
avoid jail
fucking
time.
serious, dude? I'm gonna get pulled over before I even
We do
make
my
it there.
FBI work here.
Oh no, never mind.
Oh, I see. He's missing a. You see that teeth here?
All right, boys, I'm on my way. What?
The
Where are we
front
going?
one?
We're
It's a
starting from
fake
the
one. It was
RV
the
shop
extra
and
with the
home.
bill.